Hi, I'm the mayor of Lemonland, and I'm here to help you know your lemons with my friend, Mona Lisa.
I've been checking my lemons for 500 years and have a lot to tell you. A cancerous lump is a lot like a lemon seed because it often feels hard and it can be any shape or size. This is the lump you investigate. There are two innocent lumps to know.
One lump feels like a soft pea. These are your milk lobes, normal.
Another lump feels like a soft bean. These are your lymph nodes, also normal. But you need to know how to feel around for these good and not so good lumps. Mayor, do your thing.
Thanks, Mona. Use your 3 middle fingers in circular or up and down motions. Use 3 levels of pressure: light, medium, then deep enough to fill your ribs. Also, fill under the nipple. You need to cover an area that includes your lymph nodes. So start in your armpit, then to your collarbone, and finally work your way down to the bottom of your ribs. Use 2 positions. 1, lay down with your arm behind your head. This flattens everything. 2, bend forward. This brings everything to the front. Finally, look for changes in front of a mirror. Move your arms up and down and turn to the side. See if the whole breast skin moves with you as you move your arms.
And look for these changes.
Because a lump is not the only sign.
Grazie, Mayor. The best time to feel around is 3 days after the end of your period, when everything is most normal. No period? Pick any day you like, consistently each month. Your risk increases with age, so stick with it. I've been checking my lemons, but it's not enough. I also get regular mammograms. Because a mammogram can find a cancerous lump before it can be felt. Just look at my hand to learn the difference. This is the average size of a lump found by accident. A lump through self-exam. A lump found with 1 mammogram. But with several mammograms to compare changes, the lump can be the smallest. If cancer is present in the breast, 8 times out of 10, a mammogram can find it. But if the results come back normal and you're still concerned about something, or if you're too young for a mammogram, ask about an ultrasound if you have a specific lump in mind, or get a new view with an MRI. But the only way to determine if it's cancer is to actually look at the cells, which is through a biopsy. Most lumps turn out to be fine, so don't panic if you need to check it out to be sure. Trust your instincts and know your options. When breast cancer is found early, survival rates are very high. Knowing that I've educated you makes me smile.
Share this app with a friend today at knowyourlemons.com.